If you're losing customers to bad reviews in 2026, you're bleeding for $1,800 a month, and here's how ReputationZilla stops it. Here's the problem. One fake review tanks your week. Respond to every review within 6 hours to cut damage by 40%. Flag policy violations using Google's Report Review tool within 24 hours. A competitor posts a fake 1-star review claiming food poisoning on your Google profile. Within 48 hours your bookings drop 30%. Diners see it, assume it's real, pick the place across the street. You lose $1,200 that week. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle fake review attacks end-to-end before they kill your revenue. Most people fail here. They write a long defensive reply explaining the review is fake. Google doesn't care. Diners read your essay and think you're guilty. The review stays up for months. With ReputationZilla, we file the policy violation report with the exact wording Google's moderation team looks for, and we follow up every 72 hours until it's removed. Let ReputationZilla handle the dispute for you. We file the policy violation report using the exact compliance language Google's moderation team requires. Average removal time is 5 to 9 days. You focus on running your restaurant, while we handle the back and forth with Google support. Monitor your TripAdvisor and Yelp profiles every 48 hours. This is important. Most restaurants only watch Google. Fake reviews migrate across platforms. ReputationZilla manages reviews across Google Maps, TripAdvisor, Yelp, and Facebook so nothing slips through. A single missed review on TripAdvisor costs you 18% of tourist bookings in high season. Here's the problem. If you ignore a fake review for 7 days, Google's algorithm assumes it's legitimate and ranks it higher in your profile. After 14 days, removal becomes 60% harder. Diners sort by recent reviews. That fake 1-star sits at the top. You lose 22% of walk-in traffic before you even realize what happened. Copy this exact wording when you flag a fake review on Google. Open the review, tap the 3 dots, select Flag as inappropriate, choose Conflict of Interest, then paste this in the explanation box. This review violates Google's policy on fake engagement. The reviewer has no record of visiting our location on the claimed date. We have security footage and reservation logs confirming this. Google's moderation team prioritizes reports with specific policy citations and evidence offers. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We know every platform's policy inside out. This review violates Google's policy on fake engagement. The reviewer has no record of visiting our location on the claimed date. We have security footage and reservation logs confirming this. Respond to reviews within 6 hours. Monitor all platforms every 48 hours. Let ReputationZilla remove fake reviews for you. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.